Hey everybody, welcome back to Beauty for the Win. Today I want to show you guys one of the best hair masks that you can ever do for your hair, whether you have short hair, long hair, dried hair, damaged hair, good for all of that. So this hair mask is great for your scalp as well as the rest of your hair, your ends, dry split ends. There's 3 ingredients we're going to use today. The first one would be mayonnaise. You want to use 100% mayonnaise without the half fat. So don't get the one that says half fat, just get the original mayonnaise. Mayonnaise has eggs in it and it's really great for smoothing out your hair. Next is hemp oil. This is really rich in omegas 3 and 6, which are fatty acids that will help to nourish your hair, soften it, smooth it. It also brings nutrients to the scalp. So there's a lot of different benefits to hemp oil. Next is castor oil. Castor oil is known for fighting inflammation. It's great for dandruff on your scalp. It's also great for helping promote hair loss. So if your hair's falling out a lot and you are not really seeing the hair growth results that you want, castor oil is honestly the #1 oil I would recommend for that. So a mixture of all 3 of these and a hair mask is like gold. It's like hair gold. You need your little bowl, your ingredients, and then a measuring cup and spoon. So you want a 1/4 cup and you're going to need a 1/2 tablespoon. With the mayo, you're going to use a 1/4 cup. Now it's time to add your oils into here. Take the hemp oil and put 1/2 tablespoon in there, just like that. 1/2 tablespoon of castor oil. Now stir it all together, mix it up really well, and you will have your hair mask. It should be the perfect consistency, not too thick, not too runny, you know, just a perfect hair mask that you would buy at the store. So apply all this to your hair and let it sit for 1/2 hour to an hour. Okay, scalp, lengths, ends, everything. You want your whole head of hair to be nourished. If you have leftover, you can put it in the fridge. It'll last for roughly a couple days up to a week. I wouldn't do it any longer than that. Some people like to section off their hair when they do a hair mask, which is great, but I just go all out and get my hair all messy, flip it up, and put it in a hair clip and I let it sit. So let's get started. I start off with these roots at my part. And then I just do everything else, and here we go. Now I'm going to let my hair sit for roughly 1 hour, and after that I'm going to shampoo my hair, condition it like usual. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope that you guys try this mask out, and if you do, let me know in the comments section. I would love to know how you like it.